Hello everyone,
Hi.
Transformer. Hi, how are
Hello,
you?
Himaji.
Hello, Nadeem ji. Hello, Asha ji. How's
Hello.
your week?
It's good.
Exciting? Oh,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Okay, good. And how's your experience? Outcome in grade? We are completed
Very good, very
many.
good.
Yeah, we did when we did our incred it is actually very good exercise to analyze our outcome from different in a deeper analysis. So it forced us to think about the challenges and think of their solutions, the most important part, and the converting our end codes into e-codes. So it has to go ahead with the outcome.
Because we are a
Gives confidence,
yeah,
it gives confidence.
because we are a transformer now. That's why
Yeah.
our group is transformer. Okay, now we have completed the outcome. We are at increate process. It is a long detailed way of writing your outcome in proper way. Then we then we see how our coding is connected with us. So now come the next part of this outcome, which is known as power leap. So I'm going to explain you this. What do you mean by power leap? And then we will move on to the activities, and with some example I will give you some example. Understand how to work on this great leap outcome are actually the end game target, right? So many things you eventually want to be out, but it should be real thing. Then you understand how our baseline are so aligned. You understand, Nadeem ji?
Yes, yes.
Are you sleepy?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I will explain you in a detailed
Sure,
manner.
sure, sure.
Okay, okay, let's start. Let's start today exciting session, power leap. Okay. Manual number 79. Please open your manual number 79. I will explain you. Outcomes are end game targets, mean things you eventually want to accomplish. Most people give up the possibility of achieving these outcomes as they seem impossible. How there is a way to make them appear easier and achievable. The outcome plus system is brilliant. It's make your outcome seem achievable by breaking them down into a power leap. Each leap takes you to closer to the final outcome. To make this work, we have to start at the end and work backwards. The human mind loves possibilities charged and charged up. It if the brain does something big and new, get ready to change your world. I will give you example. Each one of your power leap has to have incredible qualities to it. Otherwise, it won't ever lead your ultimate outcome. First power leap, second power leap, third power leap, and final outcome. You write down your closer first power leap and second and third, then your final outcome. You understand, Asha ji? Nadeem
Yeah,
ji?
yeah.
Yes, yes. Can you
Okay.
give example?
I will explain.
Yeah.
Example, yeah, I will give you example of power leap that lead you to your ultimate outcome. First first power leap, Work out which kind people I want to coach. This is a example. If you become a coach, okay, decide coaching date and finalize marketing, campaigning, launch dates. And outcome is I will coach 50 people this year where I will get 50,000 each rupees each for an Indian rupees, है ना? If Indian, if your US dollar approximately like 500 $500, na? Okay. Power leap. About the activities, you will set define and clear power leaps that will act as step to achieving their ultimate outcome. Purpose of these activities is you to think of their challenges and their outcome to create PLS that are achievable. Power leaps. Step instructions. First step one, look at all challenges you have written in the previous activities. Look at the ultimate outcome is now listed down at least 5 power leaps that will help you reach your outcome along with deadline for each. And step 2, put each one of your power leap through as refinement chart to make it even more refined and clear. You understand? Okay.
Yeah.
First, you write down below. Write down the first 5 power leaf. Before you write down your power leaf that lead you your ultimate outcome. Next to each power leaf, write down a deadline. With the deadline, you just write down with the deadline. First, okay, I will give you 20 minutes. Then you write down one by one 5 power leaves. Then I will continue again. Okay. Okay, Nadeem ji. Okay, back the session. Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you.
Have you done? Have you done?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Please share your action plan. There, your power leaf. You get everyone. You committed each one of your power leaf. Please share. Who's a share? First, Nadeem ji, you tell me.
Yeah, what I need to share? Hello.
Yeah. What is your power leaf?
Yeah, power leap first is the book writing. I want to finish my book.
Sorry,
I want to finish my book.
You want to finish? How?
Yeah. To finish my book, I am the responsible. So I need to take out time and I have to do it. Due date for this book is the 30th April. By
Okay.
30th April, I need to complete it.
Okay.
Resources required is some softwares which I need,
Okay.
which can convert my grammar and English into properly. The challenge is sometimes I'm not sitting to write. I'm busy with so many things. I have to take out time. It is a challenge. Outcome is at any point of time I will complete this book. The 30th April.
Okay. Good. And tell me, Ashashi.
So my ultimate outcome was restarting my school in August 2021 with 10 enrollments. For this, I have done e-coding and all. The challenges are marketing, and I'm not technology-wise saving technology person, so I would have to learn those technologies within this month, maybe in May, so that I can work on my online
Specify your day.
videos
Be
in the month
specify
of
your
June.
day. Don't say
Yeah,
maybe.
from
Maybe is not correct.
like by 30th May, I will learn the technology, and in June 1st to June 30, I will make the videos and I will plan my content so that I can put on. And and then I will be ready to launch my start my
Okay.
preschool.
You realize how this time you will be powering your through all the challenges because of real outcome they are setting. You understand? Okay, we will make a cake outcomes cake. I see. Okay. First, this cake, this is your cake. Every layer has it on importance. Each forms the ultimate cakes.
Right.
And let's create your own cakes. First, base of the cake means your base of the cake, ultimate outcome. Second, crust of the cake, your baselines plus e-coating. And then your layer. First layer is challenges, and second layer is power leap, and you will be outcome achieved, and then happiness cherry on the cake. You understand? You will make the cake like
Yeah,
that,
yeah, well,
and you write down proper way. You
Yes,
understand?
easy.
Okay.
yes.
Okay, we will move on
Right.
further.
Okay.
Define my outcome tools. This is a define my outcome. First, time upfront. How long will this take to get this up and running and start receiving benefits? Remember, speed is compulsory. Speed of implementations, time,
Implementation.
and how long will this take to grow and maintain? Can this be passively managed in the future? Remember, opportunity cost, excitement. How much does the idea of this excited me? Will I enjoy the process, or have you used willpower and push through difficulties? Do I currently have the necessary skill sets? How likely is success? How much in potential's outcome? Impact, maybe you decide 90, no, maybe his word is not correct. Impact, you decide in a 190 days. How much immediate impact will this have? What short-term opportunity does it create? Momentum built on itself. Impact 20 years. How much impact would this have towards my life mission? Will the skills and experience gained be worthwhile even I fall? Total, you scoring. This you okay? Define my outcome. This software in your hub. Proper predicted ratings, timing upfront. You rated a 1 most and 5 at least. Timing also ongoing 1 most and 5 at least. Difficulty 1 most and 5 up at least. And impacts 90 days, same 1 most, 1 more, 1 at least and 5 most. Impact 20 years, 1 at least and 5 most. You write down, you give us scoring, and total score, you calculate what is the most, and your outcome will upfront of you. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is your third week is completed. We will meet next session. We will start fourth week, but you do this activities, and you understand what is the power leap and what is the outcome we will achieve.
Sure.
You understand now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
well,
Okay.